Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're the family link manager. This matters because only managers change search controls. Once done, unlock your device and open the Family Link app. Tap the child's profile immediately to enter their settings and make sure their device shows online so changes sync. This gets you straight into controls without delay, and it prevents wasted clicks if the child account lacks manager privileges, so pause here and verify before moving on. Next, tap Controls or Manage Settings. This area holds search options. You'll see Google Search or Filter Explicit Results. Select it to reveal safe search and web filtering options. Change the toggle to off or choose a less restrictive setting and understand why. Safe search blocks explicit results broadly, so turning it off increases available content but reduces filtering. After toggling, watch for confirmation or save button, and make sure the app. Finally, save your changes and allow Family Link time to sync to the child's device. This may take a minute. Once synced, test a few searches on the kid's device to confirm safe search is off. If searches still show filtered results, make sure the child's Google account is the one managed, then sign out and back in or update the Family Link and Google apps. If that fails, restart both devices. Often a restart clears cached policies and completes the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.